Web services are a way for different software systems to communicate over the internet. They provide a standardized way for different systems to interact with each other, regardless of their underlying programming languages or platforms. Web services use a set of protocols and standards, such as Simple Object Access Protocol and Representational State Transfer, to transfer data between systems. These protocols define how data is exchanged, such as the format of the data and the methods used to transfer it. Web services can be used for a variety of purposes, such as retrieving data from a database, performing calculations, and triggering actions on other systems. They are commonly used in web and mobile applications, IoT, microservices, and other integration scenarios. Web services can be hosted on a server and accessed by clients using a specific URL. They can be secured using various authentication methods, such as basic authentication or OAuth. Web services are widely used to build scalable, cross-platform, and high-performance systems that can be integrated with other systems to create new functionalities. They are also used to expose the functionality of a system over the internet, allowing other systems to interact with it in a structured and secure way.